Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to hide the menu in Odoo. Let's get started. First go to odoo.com, log in your account, and this action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the settings option. This will open a new tab containing the settings where you will scroll down to the developer tools section and click activate the developer mode. Once you've activated developer mode, in your navigation menu, there will be more options to choose from. Now, from your navigation menu, click on Technical, then in your drop-down menu, scroll down until you see the User Interface section, then click Menu Items. In this new tab, click on the menu item you want to customize. Next, in this new page, click on the field next to Visibility, and this drop-down will open where you will choose the menu items you want to hide or make visible. If you can't see your chosen item, click on Search More at the very bottom, and this pop-up will open showing more options. After that, just save the changes you've made. And that is how you can hide the menu in Odoo. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.